Hi, this is Victor from Taxprolink. Taxprolink is a web-based tax software, so it means you can do taxes anywhere at any time. Um, every time you log into your Taxprolink account, just go to the website taxprolink.com. It works on any web browser. If you're using Chrome, Edge, or Firefox or Safari, you can use that. So just go to the website taxprolink.com and then click sign in. And then once you're in the sign in page, you will be able to put your account name here and your password and the firm name. And then once you log into your Tax ProLink account, you'll be able to set up your login authentication configuration. So this is an optional. So it's up to you if you want to activate this, or you can skip, or you can use your main password. And then once you log into your tax Proning account, you'll be able to see the dashboard for individual. So this is the individual dashboard, and then we do have three tabs here: individual and business. And then if you want to do a business return, just click business tab, and then just go to clients. And then right after clients, you'll be able to see the business forms here. We're working with 1120S, 1120, 1065, 1041, 990. So this is the business forms available, all states and free e-filing. So just click create new return, and then you will be able to start a business return. And setup, this is where you can set up your account. You will be able to create up to 10 users. So once you decided to join with us, you'll be able to have up to 10 users, including the admin. So your preparers can access their account anywhere at any time. And if you're working with the office, and then if you're not allowing your preparer to access their account anywhere, we do have an IP security features here. Just enable that, and then one of your preparer cannot access their account outside that location. And then if you want to um, on the setup, we do have two entry type or entry mode for individual. So just go to your settings, and then right after settings, you will be able to select your return entry mode here. So we do have direct and interview. So right now I'm using the rec, and then if you want to start the 1040 tax return, just go to individual, and then right after individual, just click clients or go to clients, and then you will be able to start a new tax return. So this is 2020. So just go to new return, and then you'll be able to put the social here, and then re-enter the social, and then choose the 1040. So if you have 1040X, so let's say if you're getting a new client and then the tax return was accepted from the other tax professional or from the other tax software, so you can start a 1040X right away, or you can go to 1040 and then save and continue. Right, so once you click save and continue, the next screen is personal information page. So this is direct input. So you'll be able to put your information here, your client's information. So you can use your keyboard, you can use your mouse to enter data. And once you scroll up and scroll down, there's a save button here. And then if you notice on the left side, the forms are still grayed out. So once you save, and if you miss something, you will be able to see the red question mark. So it means this is the error that you need to fix, the red question mark. Did the primary taxpayer receive 1095A from the insurance from the marketplace? Yes or no? The filing status here, mid filing jointly, single, head of the household, and just put the zip code first, and then it will auto populate the city and the state for you. And phone number, we do have text messaging service in the software. If you want to send text to your clients, you can check this box, and then you will be able to send text later. So just save the personal information page, and then once you save that, you will be able to go to the old forms here on the left side right after you're done saving the personal info, and you can go to additional info or dependent. So if you have dependent, just click dependent info here on the left side. So just click dependent info, and then you'll be able to add the dependent information by clicking the plus sign. Just 1 second. So just click the plus sign to add the dependent information here. All right, so once you've done that, save it, and then you will be able to see the red question mark, the dependent information here or the summary, and then you'll be able to see the old forms on the 1040. And if you the next step is you can go to 1014 schedule 1, 1014 schedule 2 or 3. So just click 1014 schedule 1. If you notice here, we're working line by line of your 1040 and schedule 1 until you reach the line 26. And then every line has a corresponding hyperlink form. So once you go to line 1A, there's a form W2 here, and then you can click the link and then you'll be able to go there, or you can search the form. So if you know the form name or your form number, just go to the form search here, type W2, and then you will be able to add the wage and tax information, or you can go to form W2 here. So just click that, and then you will be able to add the W2 information by clicking the plus sign or add new. And then once you click that, you'll be able to see this W2 belongs to P for the primary, S for the spouse if you're working with a joint return. All right, so if you want to add the information, just fill in this information here. And if you have BAX 12, BAX 14, and then state. So if you're in California, choose California here and save it. So once you save that, you'll be able to see the summary here. And then if you notice the federal tax summary, you will be able to see the refund or the owed amount. And then if you go back to the 1040 and schedule 1, you'll be able to see the amount from your W2 will auto populated here. Mhm. So that's how to do how to add the tax forms. And all forms, this is available on the 1040. And then once you click file forms, this is the form that you just added. And then this is the form that you're going to e-file. And then if you want to add, let's say if you have the schedule C, um, just search schedule C here, and then you will be able to add the schedule C by clicking the plus sign. And you'll be able to choose the income, P for the primary, S for the spouse if you're working with the joint return, and pick from list and then save it. And if you have income from 1099 miscellaneous or 1099 NEC, just click that, or you can search the form here, 1099 NEC. So let's say if you want to add 1099 NEC, just click that, and then you'll be able to go to 99 NEC screen, and then just click add new, and then you will be able to put the information here. If you have income on line 1, and where do you want to report that? So we do have a reporting section here. So there, just click the scroll down and then choose Schedule C, and then click Pick from List. And then right after you click Pick from List, choose the Schedule C business or property here, and then use it, and then save it. So once you save that, you'll be able to see the summary here. And if you go back to your filed form Schedule C, just go to the Schedule C here, and then you will be able to see the income. Click Edit, and then you'll be able to see the income from 1099 NEC. And then if you have expenses, and then if you see this link or form, it means you need to add the 4562, and then the amount will auto populate it here. So this is not the manual entries. This line is related from the other forms. And then once you save that, you'll be able to see the income here, total income added, and then you'll be able to see the amount you owed. Every time you add the tax form, you'll be able to see the summary there. And then if you want to view your 1040 PDF or Schedule C, just click 1040 or Schedule C here. and then you will be able to see the PDF. And once you've done the federal, automatically the resident state will auto-populate it here. Next to the federal, you can see the CAR California. So just click that and then click revisit. And then right after you click revisit, you'll be able to do the form 540. And then once you save that, if you encounter the red question mark, minimum essential coverage individual mandate, just edit this and then answer the question um, for the coverage and then save it. And then if you're done with the federal and the state, we do have a diagnostic here. Just click verify. And then once you hit verify, you'll be able to see the errors. You can check the federal. And then this is the error that you need to fix before e-filing. So you cannot e-file the tax return without fixing this. Mhm. And just click verify. And then there's an option here. Click here to update. And then you'll be able to generate the form 8879 and then click verify again and then click here to fix for the QBI. Since that you have the schedule C, just click add new here and then you'll be able to um, pick from list and use it and save it. Mhm. And then you need to clear all the errors before e-filing. All right, so that's the direct input. And if you want to switch to the interview, we do have an interview mode as well. So the interview, I believe this is the best option for those prepared that they're starting new doing taxes. Just click edit, and then you can use direct or interview, and then you can switch mode. So this is the interview looks like. It's a long process, but it will help your prepare to start a new tax return, especially if they're new doing taxes. Mhm. And then, of course, you can switch mode back to direct, and you'll be able to just give 1 second. Back to Taxprolink, and then click edit again, and then you will be able to go back to direct input. Mhm. And then close the return, and right after you close it, this is where you can view the tax return. In the PDF, you can send the customer copy. You can delete the tax return. You can put password protect. So you can put some notes. And then if your client is in front of you, they will be able to send the tax returns using your mouse. Second. Mhm. Using your mouse, click start, and that's it. And we do have a client portal or mobile app to get your client's signature. Just click the My Tax Office, and then you'll be able to send the registration link to your clients. And then once you've done the tax return, your clients will be able to sign tax forms, send you documents, and they will be able to review the tax return. So no need to send them the copy. They have that access to the tax forms. And you can send text and you can upload documents. So if your client send you documents, you'll be able to see it here. And then create once you completed the tax return, you need to create an invoice and then you can e-file. So we do have a tutorials here how to e-file. So just click tutorials and then click e-file direct input and then you can watch the videos online how to e-file using the direct input. And I'm sorry, once you go back to the individual e-file, this is where you can track the status of your tax return. So if you have accepted return, you'll be able to see here accepted. And if you have rejected return, you'll be able to see the rejected list here. So it's really easy to track the status of your tax return based on the color. If you see red, it means your federal is rejected. If you see green, it means your federal is accepted. So there's a status there. So this is 2022. And then if you want to do the prior return, we do have an option for the prior return as well. Just click clients. And then right after clients, just go to prior return, and then you will be able to do all the way down to 2012. So let's say if your clients did not file their 2020, choose 2020 and then create new return. All right, so that's the software. If you have any question, just give us a call here at 800-746-8901. Again, 800-746-8901, or email support at taxprolink.com. Thanks.